In Bhagavad Gita, sloka number 2.48, God Sri Krishna says, Yogasto Kuru Karmani Sangatyokta Dhananjaya Siddha Siddho Samabhutva Samatto Yoga Uchyate. Means the definition of yoga is steadfast of mind, not getting attached to success or failure. Okay, such evenness of mind is called yoga. Yogasto kurukarmani sangatyokta dhananjaya siddha suddha samabhutva samatva yoga uchyate. Be steadfast in yoga. Success or failure will come, but you should not get excessively attached to success or failure. Such evenness of mind is called yoga. Om